Preparing for my birthday party.
Today is my birthday. I prepare for my birthday party. In the morning, my mother helps me at home. I make a shopping list. My father and I go to the shop. We buy balloons, garlands, party hats, cups, sweets, and cookies. We also buy juice, flowers, and candles for the cake. At home, my sister decorates the room. She puts the balloons on the wall and the garlands near the door. In the afternoon, 20 guests come to the party. My friends wear party hats. They drink juice and eat sweets. We play games together. We laugh and have fun. In the evening, we eat the cake. My birthday party is great.